Today's video is for you. If you want to earn online, watch this video completely. Hello everyone, hope you are all well. Today I will share with you a secret traffic site where you can earn by promoting your CPA and affiliate offers. Can you see my earnings dashboard? I am constantly working online and earning. Before watching this video, you must check the video description box. There is a special and secret method video link for you to earn online. I am working on affiliate offers every day. And I am earning $100 per day by marketing affiliate offers in different places. You want to earn from online, but due to lack of proper guidelines, you may not be able to start working. If you want to earn like me, then check the description box of this video. I have added in the description box the link of the video of the secret and powerful method of earning online for you. If you want to earn money by doing CPA affiliate marketing, then you can do this video course. But I am earning online by learning this course. Details about this course are given here. If you want, you can know everything about this course from here. But I believe if you do this course, you can definitely do it online. The traffic site we will be working on today is called letterboxd.com. You will get high quality traffic in this website. So first we will open a new tab. Then we will search by typing letterboxd. We will open the website that you see here. After opening, you can see the interest of the website. To work here we must create now. So we will click here on Get Start, its free option. So you can see on the screen that now our sign up form is open to create an account. We will create our account with our email, user ID and password. Now we have to verify our account with the email we have created. You can see in our email that an email has been sent for account verification. We will verify our account by just clicking here on Verify Now. So viewers, you can see that our account is complete. Now we will check the traffic quality on the website. So we are checking our traffic quality through similar websites. Most of the traffic you see here is from the United States, United Kingdom and Canada. We need these countries mainly targeted to promote the CPA offer. So let's now share the process of how we do marketing here. We will now click on the profile option. So from here we will click on Edit Profile. After clicking on Edit Profile, we have to fill everything in the form which is here. You will fill this phone according to your information before working. So I have filled this form. Now I am clicking on Submit option. So you can see that my profile has been updated. Now we will come to Home option. So here you can see the number of views and like comments in one post. You can gain traffic from 5 to 10,000 per day in this traffic site. We will now check who has viewed this post. So here you can see the details of all those who have viewed this post have come here. We can follow this traffic if we want. We will now click on the member option. Here you can see the list of all the members, but we will follow them as well. Next you can see our main task is how we promote our offer. Here we will click on the icon next to the log. After clicking here, a box is opened in front of us. We need to name the movie. So we will come to Google and search by writing the trending movie of 2023. After opening the website, I will select a movie here. I am copying the name of this movie. Then I come here and paste it. So here you can see our movie is suggesting, so we will select this movie from here. Later here we will write some text related to our movie. Then add our CPA offer link here. So we will now come to our affiliate account. Here we will click on URL locker option for monetization option. Now we will click on create new URL lottery option. After that I choose the template for mobile and computer. Then I will change this text. You can follow my rule while working. I will select 5 offers. When our URL locker is complete, we will save it from here. You can see my UR area has moved. Opening it. The link is there. We will do marketing with this link, so we are copying this link. After copying this link, we will shorten the link through bit.ly website. After shortening our link, we will copy and paste this link into our traffic website. Then we need to use some tags related to this movie here. I am adding some tags here. My everything is complete now. I will click on save option. Our post has been published. After coming to the profile option, you can see our post here. So we are opening this post. If someone opens this post of ours and clicks here, converting between our offer URLs. If someone completes our offer, then I can earn from here. So viewers, if you like the video, please like, comment and share. Thank you all for watching. The next